Okay, welcome back to my channel. I had a video that cleaned out all the green stuff using a Shop Vac and a broom. Today, I'm going to swap out the sand that's in the sand pump. It's been in there for a few years. Hello. And it's just not filtering correctly, so I'm just going to replace it. So the first thing we do is we have to take, with a screwdriver, take this nut out of the neck clamp, which I've already done. Then we want to take that clamp off. I just spun it in half. And from there, we can just lift it up straight up. There we go. I'm going to set this here by Chloe. Hi, Chloe. And here, we're going to take a look, if the camera will let us. It's disgusting green. It's hard to say. Now, you would think you'd be able to pull this out straight up and then tip this over. Well, you can't. You'll end up breaking the plastic that's in there. So I'm going to vacuum it up using a Shop Vac until all the sand's out. Then I'll rinse it, and then I'll fill it back up with fresh, new sand. Let's get started. So I have my Shop Vac, and normally in the Shop Vac, vacuuming up dust, sawdust. But when you have to do with water, because there is a little bit of water in there, you take this off, and there's a filter that goes around this part here. Pull that filter off, and then put it back on. Turn the power on, and let's go. I'm curious what it looks like in the Shop Vac. Feels heavy. Whoa. Does that look like sand to you? Still got a lot more to go. So I'm going to go dump this in a special little place. I'm not sure. No, I'm kidding. I'm going to dispose of it in the trash. Okay, let's get started again. I feel like I'm churning butter. So, the next trick is once you get the sand out, and I did not get all of it out. I got enough to where it surrounded the laterals, just a little bit lower than that. And the laterals are different on whatever. This is an Intex sand pump. And it's about 2 years old. To me, that means it's new. But these screw in. Now, I've seen laterals where you can just lift up and then you pull the PVC pipe out. Now, I've taken off enough of them almost all of them except for 2. There we go. Now this is going to be washed. I'll use a hose. Clean that baby clean. Clean all the laterals. And then, see what this looks like from here. I don't know if you can see it. It might be dark. But there you have it. Let me clean this up and then we're going to install it to the outlets. There's one here. And then the divided ones that go into this and that. Okay. Thanks for watching. Now again, I'm replacing sand, but I got to clean it out. Here we go. So I'm going to take a brush, like a toothbrush, and scrub these laterals to make sure all the sand comes out. Just spraying it with a hose. Doesn't seem to be working so well. I mean, it's okay, but I want it all out. Sounds like my bird's in there. Alrighty. This is the Bill Thompson channel, and you just witnessed me suck out the sand with a Shop Vac.